we go, guys. You ready? We're getting ready to dyno test. We're gonna let the car warm up because it's cold now. And then we're gonna get our numbers with the Corsa Apex cold air induction. Then I'm gonna reflash with HemiFever, and then we're gonna dyno again. I've been here for a while today. I'm having a great time with the guys out here at Maple Grove Automotive LLC. Make sure you guys check them out on Facebook. They're working on their website. It's gonna be live soon. Chris's wife is tearing it up. She's in there working on it as we speak and helping customers. So stay tuned for that. But I'm excited. There's very, very exciting stuff happening today, man. I mean, you guys don't know this, but I'm filming 3 videos in one today. We did the Corsa exhaust. Man, listen to that. Here we go, guys. You ready? Oh, we gained. Whoa. Oh, yeah, wow. 436. Wow, look at that torque. Wow. Now, I just want to make a note, guys. I know Corsa says that you're going to gain 21 horsepower with their cold air induction, but we have tuning. So this car's not stock. It has Diablo tuning in it already. So if you're bone stock and you put one of these on, your gain would probably be that. So, but I'm happy with that gain.
We'll do another back-to-back just like this, just to see, make sure we're still consistent with
Sure.
this, and then we'll do the flash.
See if we're consistent. Oh, we went up. We gained. $439, 473 torque. Very cool.
It's pretty gnarly. I think I was hitting over 180.
100. I can tell you real quick. Or you got it on the dyno. All right, we'll see what the flash. We'll see if we get it up any higher. So I'm going to flash the PCM now with HemiFever's tuning, and then we're going to do one last pull, maybe 1 or 2. We'll see where we're at with that. If you remember when we did the tuning for the Ram Rebel, we ran into a little hiccup. Ran into it again, no big deal. And previously I told you I had to go back, reinstall Sean's tunes and do all that. You don't have to. You just go read backup. So it's going to read the factory data. And then once it gets done doing all this, we are going to install HemiFever's tuning, trans tuning, and 93 octane tune. All right, guys, I got the tunes from HemiFever installed, the 93 octane tune and trans tuning. So it feels a little bit rowdier already, just hitting the accelerator a few times. I want to make sure everything's good. We're gonna probably do 1 to 2 more dyno pulls with this to see if we can beat our last numbers. I have a feeling it's gonna be different. A little quicker, huh? What do you think, Steve?
Sounds good. Sounds snappier.
Corsa sounds so good. I think it bumped our torque up a little bit. Horsepower's up a little bit too. Yeah, Chris is telling me like the car's running a little bit lean. So if we give it more fuel towards higher RPMs, it looks like, yeah, by about 5. I mean, we made it, that's the pull right there, right? The top one. So we made a little bit more horsepower, a little bit more torque, but it's probably definitely got a lot more in them, just giving more fuel. So I guess if I send this graph to him, would he be able to do anything with that? Or we could data log.
Did you log this past?
I should have.
Okay. We can do another run.
Okay.
And then I'd send him this as well.
Okay.
And that way he can kind of see.
Cool. All right. So yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a data log for this pool, and we'll actually send Sean that graph. Cool. Sounds snappier. Oh, what's it asking?
You want to say the recording?
Yeah, we do.
I was almost going to let out of it because it starts dropping above that 13. I don't like that.
No.
That's a little mean for my liking.
I got a little bit more power on that one.
Up.
A little bit more.
But still just, yeah, a little lean up top.
See you, buddy.
Yeah,
Thanks
see ya.
again, man.
You're
Always a
very
pleasure. I can't wait to come back. We're going to do something again. We're definitely going to be doing
Let us
lots of
know.
stuff. Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.
Appreciate getting me in today.
You're very welcome.
All right, bud.
See ya.
See ya. Tell the wife I said bye. I
I
wish
will.
she went.
Where she went.
It's a little windy out here, guys. I know I said it in the video, but I want to make it clear again. We were running Diablo's 93 Octane Tune, the Diablo tune, when we did the dyno testing with the Corsa cold air induction. So being at a stock level, you potentially could gain up to 21 horsepower. So I just want to make that clear because as you can see that we didn't make that number in the video, but it could be because we already had tuning and we were already elevated with our horsepower and torque number. I have to give a special thanks to DiabloSport Tuning, Sean from HemiFever Tuning, and Chris and the crew from Maple Grove Automotive LLC. Seriously, check those guys out. I have all the information for them in the video description. They're on my website as well too. A lot of important stuff on the website like our merch, B synthetics, all that stuff. By you guys going to them and following the links on my website, it helps support the channel. And we have an Amazon affiliate link. There's just so many avenues to help support the channel. It's all on the website though. All good information about us. HemiFever's tuning with the charger. It was running a little lean at about 5,500 RPM. I sent the data log to Sean. Sean's revised the tuning, gave me a little bit more fuel from 5,500 RPM and up. Unfortunately, I haven't had an opportunity to go back to do more dyno testing, but I can assure you I've been bitten by the bug. I want more. So I'm researching some other mods. My goal is to keep this car naturally aspirated for now. And then at some point maybe explore supercharging. But at this point we want to keep it naturally aspirated because it's a reasonably priced car, brand new, that you can buy and do all these mods to and get more horsepower. So I want to keep it that way for a while and just start doing some mods and showing you guys through the process. But as always, there's other vehicles on the channel too that we're doing stuff too. Like you off-roading guys, don't worry, I want to get back into it. You know, everything's sort of shut down in our area for the time being. Heddy is actually working from home these days.
I'm blessed, but
yeah. Yeah, so she's working from home. I'm still working. Guys, most of you guys know I'm first responder, so yep, still working, and hopefully everyone stays safe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That helps. If you're stopped by for the first time, please subscribe. Turn all those notifications on. If you already are subscribed and you haven't turned the notifications on, please do that so you get notified of all of our videos. We usually upload 1 to 2 times a week. So it's important that you guys watch that so we can continue doing this. You guys are the reason why I do this. Not because, well, it is for my hobby and I totally enjoy making these videos, but you guys, you know, influence me and give me the drive to keep doing this. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking. Stay safe.
you wait.
What?
Tap, smash. I didn't get to hit you.
I talked about it though. You
Yeah,
just
but
weren't
you
paying
didn't.
attention.
You didn't use the words tap, smash.
Make sure you tap, smash, do something to that subscribe. Ah! We love you guys. We'll see you on the next upload.